Embrace joy with every fiber of your being. Life won't suddenly become a smooth, easy ride. It's a complex journey full of twists and turns. So why wait for perfect conditions? Find happiness in this very moment, messy and imperfect as it may be. Time is fleeting, and each day that passes is one you can't reclaim. Learn to dance in the rain, to laugh in the face of challenges, to find beauty in the chaos. Your joy is a choice, a rebellion against life's hardships. Make that choice now, loudly and boldly, arms wide open to embrace whatever comes your way. Because at the end of the day, it's not about waiting for the storm to pass, but about learning to live fully and joyfully even when you're in the eye of it.